Hello mechanical engineering friends, welcome to another mechanical engineering license board exam reviewer. Today's topic is on power plant design. It's on HVAC on the free aperture cross section for machinery room ventilation. Okay, here's our problem. And remember, if you have a problem, we have a solution. Compute the free aperture cross-section in square meter for the ventilation of a machinery room if the mass of refrigerant is 9 kg. Okay. Analyze our given. There's only one given, 9 kg refrigerant. And also we are given a machinery room. The unknown is to solve for the free aperture cross-section in square meter. Okay. So a little bit of the context here. So in a machinery room where there's a possibility of a refrigerant leak, a cross-section of pipe for the release of the refrigerant to the atmosphere is needed. So that's what we are solving here. Okay. And before we go to the solution, I'd like to invite you to please subscribe, like, and share. Okay. Share the knowledge. So from the building codes of machinery room based on ASHRAE, American Society of Heating, Refrigeration, Air Conditioning Engineers, they came up with the following formula here. For F is equal to 0.138 times square root of m, or m to the power of 0.5, where our F is the free aperture cross section in square meters, and the mass is the mass of refrigerant in kilogram. Ammonia, and the refrigerant is mostly ammonia and other similar refrigerants, and 0.138 is a constant. Substituting given values into the formula, so we are given the mass of refrigerant right there, 9 kilograms. Now we're going to solve the cross section for the mechanical ventilation in the machinery room. Okay, substitute the given refrigerant of 9 kilograms into the formula. F is equal to 0.138 times m to the power of 0.5. M is equal to 9 kilograms. And we substitute that. We got F 0.138 times 3 equals F is equal to 0.414 square meters. That's the cross section of the uh, the mechanical ventilation required to exhaust the refrigerant in case of a leak. Okay, I hope you got something out of this, and please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Okay, cheers and have a good one.